Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the 3D Object tab in Explaindia 4.0. In the previous video I showed you how to add a 3D object to your project, so I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial. So I've got a project open here. In this first scene, I have a 3D object which I showed you in a previous video, to which I applied an animation point, and if I close the canvas, you'll see that it has a running and jumping action as it animates across the canvas. In the 3D Object tab, you'll notice a few controls. Let me start off with the loop checkbox. If I uncheck this box, you'll see that the 3D object stops the running action towards the end. And if I check the box again, you'll see that the running action will be continuous. The animation in the 3D object is made up of 66 frames, which involves running, a jump, and running again. So if I were to drop the end frames to around 23, and now if I replay the animation, you'll notice that the jumping action is eliminated and the 3D object now is only running. So that's one way to use the start and end frames. The transparency slider allows you to control the transparency of the 3D object like so. In the second scene, I have a different type of 3D object, as you can see. And you'll notice that now you have an additional texture box. So if I click the Browse button, I can upload an image like so. And as you can see, the color of the 3D object is the same as the image I used. You can click the Remove button to remove the image like so. In the third scene, you'll notice that some 3D objects have multiple texture boxes, like here. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.